My name's Alan Hart. Today we're working in Yeadon in Leeds. So we're fitting a new boiler. We're going to replace this boiler here. We're going to do that tomorrow. But today what we're going to do is we're going to flush the system out. So we're going to do a Magnacleanse. So what I'm going to do is I'll do a step-by-step guide on how to do a Magnacleanse. So we've already fitted our Omega filter here. So we're going to undo this off and we're going to connect the adapter in that we've got for our Magnacleanse. So we've got an Omega flushing adapter here. So we'll just turn these valves off and then we'll drain the filter down. And then we'll take the brass body off. And then we'll connect as flushing adapter into there. So just to point out, this pipe here is your return from your central heating, and this one on the bottom is the return back to the boiler. So that's important because when we connect our Magnacleanse into it, we'll see the Magnacleanse has got arrows on it. So we want this connection here to go into the bottom of the Magnacleanse, and I'll show you that now. So on your Magnacleanse has got an arrow there. So when we get as hoses, we've got two hoses and one of them's got the drain off on. So that's the one that we're going to connect to there, because that's going to connect into the bottom of the Magnacleanse. And then we'll just connect this other hose. And then we're just going to put some chemicals in, and then we're going to let the system flush round. So we're just going to use some Fernox F5 on this. We're going to put this in and let it just run around the system. Put his magnets back in. And then just open the valves up. And then what we'll do is we'll top the boiler back up and we'll put the heating on. So we're just filling the boiler up now. So we'll just open these valves. This is on the Valent Ecotech Plus. Just get some pressure in. So we're just going to clean the magnets. So that's us doing a Magnacleanse. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below. Also with this Magnacleanse you can go around and they have a Clean which you can go across the radiators. We haven't used that today, but you can use that as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video.